How to decide your career direction, tech, SAP, or management. Choosing the wrong career direction doesn't just waste money, it wastes years of your life. Every year, thousands of professionals jump into tech, SAP, or management because someone told them it pays well. A YouTube video promised fast growth or everyone else was doing it, but after 2 to 3 years, many feel stuck, confused, or burned out. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to decide whether tech, SAP, or management is the right career path for you, not for social media. What this video will help you do. By the end of this video, you'll know which career path matches your mindset, where you'll grow faster, not just earn faster, how to avoid the most common career mistakes, and how to make a confident, long-term decision. No hype. No false promises. Just clarity. Step 1. Understand the 3 career paths before choosing. You must understand what these careers really involve. Tech careers. Tech roles focus on building and solving problems using technology. Examples: software developer, data analyst, data scientist, cloud engineer, cybersecurity analyst, AI, ML engineer. Your daily work involves learning new tools, debugging problems, continuous skill upgrades, deep focus and logic. Tech rewards problem solvers, not just certificate holders. SAP careers. SAP is a business plus technology hybrid. Examples: SAP FICO, SAP MM, SD, SAP HCM, SAP ABAP, SAP Analytics. Your daily work involves understanding business processes, configuring SAP systems, working with enterprises, supporting ERP implementations. SAP values process thinking and domain knowledge more than pure coding. Management careers. Management is about people, strategy, and decision-making. Examples: project manager, product manager, business manager, operations manager. Consulting roles. Your daily work involves meetings and planning, communication and leadership, decision-making under pressure, managing people, timelines, and budgets. Management rewards communication, ownership, and leadership, not technical depth. Step 2. Know your natural strengths. Now comes the most important part. Ask yourself these questions honestly. Puzzle piece. Choose tech if you enjoy solving complex problems, you like working independently, you enjoy learning tools and technologies, you're okay sitting with a problem for hours, you prefer logic over conversation. If you feel energized by learning and building systems, tech is for you. Avoid tech if you hate continuous learning, you want fast results without deep effort, you dislike debugging and failure. Choose SAP if you like structured systems, you enjoy understanding how businesses work, you prefer stability over frequent changes, you like combining business plus IT, you want long-term enterprise roles. SAP is great if you want steady growth and corporate exposure. Avoid SAP if you hate documentation and processes, you want fast experimentation, you dislike corporate environments. Choose management if you enjoy leading people, you're comfortable making decisions, you communicate confidently, you like planning and execution, you want impact beyond technical tasks. Management is for those who enjoy responsibility and accountability. Avoid management if you hate meetings, you avoid conflict, you dislike people management, you prefer clear instructions over ambiguity. Step 3. Salary versus reality check. Many people choose careers based only on salary videos. That's dangerous. Truth about salaries: tech pays high only if skills are strong. SAP pays well with experience and specialization. Management pays high only when you deliver results. There is no shortcut in any path. High salary comes from value creation, problem solving ability, consistency over time. If your only goal is money, you'll quit when things get hard. Step 4. Time, patience and learning curve. Let's talk about time. Reality. Tech: 6 to 12 months to enter, 2 to 3 years to become strong, constant learning forever. SAP: 6 to 9 months to understand basics, 2 to 4 years for strong consulting roles, slower change, deeper expertise. Management: usually after experience. Growth depends on performance, pressure increases with seniority. Choose based on how patient and disciplined you are. Step 5. Common career mistakes. Avoid these mistakes at all costs. Choosing based on trends, following friends, blindly buying expensive courses without clarity, expecting quick success, ignoring your personality. Your career is a 20 to 30 year journey, not a 6-month experiment. Final decision framework. Use this simple framework. Ask yourself, what kind of work do I enjoy daily? Do I prefer logic, process, or people? Can I commit to learning for years? What environment suits me best? Where can I add real value? Your answer will guide you. Final message: there is no best career. Only the best career for you. Tech, SAP, and management can all lead to high income, respect, growth, stability, but only if chosen wisely. Don't chase trends. Don't rush decisions. Build a career that matches your strengths and mindset. Call to action: if this video helped you, like the video, subscribe for more career clarity content, comment, tech, SAP, or management. Which one are you choosing and why?